Hi guys, here is a beginner's guide on how you can operate an Instagram account. If you are just joining the Instagram platform and you need a tutorial on how you can navigate through the platform, I'm providing this tutorial to guide you through. So first of all, you want to download the Instagram application. Once you do that, you want to open the app. When you open the app, it will take you to the page that will prompt you to either sign in or sign up or create an account, a new account. If you are creating a new account, there are different options you can explore. You can either join Instagram with your existing Facebook account, or you can decide to join with your email or whatever options. In my own case, as you can see from here, I currently have two accounts I have created to serve this purpose. So I'm going to be using one of these accounts to log into my account. But if you're just starting out, you can just either sign in with your Facebook account or create a new account, as the case may be. So in this case, I'm going to be using one of my accounts to sign in so I can show you through and walk you through the process of operating an Instagram account. Let's dive in. First of all, you log into your app. Once you get to your app, it will take you to the home page where you'll be able to see different updates that people have made on your timeline. And then if you want to navigate through this section, there are different icons, different buttons you can use to perform different functionalities. So if you want to search for any post, you want to search, you want to watch a particular video or anything whatsoever, you can use the search button, search icon here. Once you open it, it will take you to different, so you can search on this search box that says ask Meta AI or search. So you can search for anything whatsoever here. You want to search for your favorite celebrity, you want to search for anything whatsoever, so you can just see it here if you search. And then when you leave this place, the other options, the other icons that you can use is the plus icon here. The plus icon allows you to make a post. So you can either use the plus icon here, or when you go to your timeline here, you can also make a post from this option. So you can see the plus icon on your timeline here. So if you use the plus icon here, you'll be able to create a reel from here, make a post from here, create a story or a story highlight, or you can go live from this place. So these are the available options for you. So if you use any of it, it will take you to, let's explore each options from here, like the views optional. So you can select any post from here to post as reel on your timeline. So if you have a video here or you have anything whatsoever here, you can just use it. You can also use templates. If you want to use templates, it will bring different templates for you to use for your reel. So you can select any of the template. These are trending template for now. If you have any templates saved, you can also use any saved template. In my own case, I don't have any saved template, so you can just go back to that. And then from there, you can also click on the plus icon again. If you want to make a post, you can make post. You can make posts. You can search for within your gallery to see any post you want to create, and then after that you click on next. That's how to make a post. If you want to create a story, it's also the same option. If you want to go live, you can just click on live, then it will open your camera, then you can start. You can click on start live, then it will take you to the place. After that, you also want to check, if you want to check views, you can click on the button here. It will take you to the view sections where you can view different views that people have posted on Instagram. And then if you want to go to your timeline, you can do any kind of editing from this section. You can edit, you can click on edit profile. If you click on edit profile, it will take you to where you can edit your profile and do some other, and add or remove any information you want to add from there. Aside from that, you can also share your profile. Here is how you can share your profile. If you want to share your profile to anybody, you can either share with share button here. You can copy the link and send. You can download your profile as well. That's also about that. And then when you click on this, on the three buttons here you can see many other options that you want to explore. Just about anything you want to do on Instagram, you can find them here on this section. You can find anything whatsoever you want to do. As you can see, all the information that are being displayed here. So basically, to use Instagram is quite easy. The other thing I would like to show you is how you can check your messages. If someone sends you a message on Instagram and you want to check it, you can check it from here. You can see the love icon here is for your notifications. As you can see, these are the notifications I have. When you click on that, if you want to check your notifications, people that are following you, the actions that people are taking on your videos or on your reels, you can check them here. And then if you want to check your inbox messages, you can just click on the button that looks like a message here. When you open it, it will take you to your inbox where you can see different messages that people have sent to you. And when you open any of it, you can just follow up with the messages from there. So that's basically how to go about that. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I'm going to respond to them. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.